Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This little journal is flower themed, and basically I inserted some pictures of flowers in there, and there's tons of room for journaling and adding your own little mementos. There are 5 signatures to the journal. I made this with an antique book. It's over 100 years old. So I upcycled the book and I covered the spine with some cotton fabric, and you can see the 5 signatures on the side. I have a little bookmark that I'm including with it. It's a little gold colored paper clip, little flower, and a key. On the spine I've got dangling spine embellishment. It's a bunch of fibers, and there are some little beads on there and some acrylic pearls. And there's another little bead, and there's another one here. Now, if you want to remove this, you can take it off. It's just a little clip that attaches to the side of the spine. So you can either leave it on there or take it off, use it somewhere else if you want. It's up to you. So I've got some tea-dyed cotton ties, and these are also very easy to remove from the side of the book. If you don't want these ties on there, you can replace them with something else or not even have any ties. And the size of this journal is 7 3/4 high by 5.5, and it's quite thick. It's 2 inches, about 2 inches thick at the spine. So I'll show you a quick look to give you an idea of what the pages look like. Here's the inside. I've got a little bit of trim, so you can see that the book is old, so it does have some wear. And I left the front plain, so you can add an image there if you like. But I like the look of the book just like that. So on the inside I've got some fabric covering the spine, and I've got these pretty flowers that I got from a book. I just attached those in there. I've got a whole bunch of different types of papers, lots of tea stained, some coffee stained, some scrapbook paper, lined paper. Now if you want to, I've got also some envelopes in there, and you can use these as pockets, tuck something in. If you want to add some pictures, I would recommend that you use copies of your photos, because these pages aren't all acid free and you wouldn't want to damage your originals, so keep those in a safe space and use copies. So there's lots of beautiful pictures of flowers. Yeah, there are 5 signatures in there. Here's a second signature. There's no stamping. There's even some pages in there that you can color in. That was from a coloring book, so I just took the page out and inserted it in here. There's another pocket envelope, another doodle page, beautiful flowers. Yeah, this was from a French book, so you'll see some French wording in there. That was from some writing paper. This would make a nice gift for a gardener or anybody who likes flowers. You can tuck something behind there. There's lots and lots of room. I will indicate in the listing how many pages there are. I haven't counted them yet. There's another doodle page. Some line papers. There's a ton of pages in here. And there's the inside back cover. So that's my journal. I hope you have a nice day. Happy crafting and happy journaling. Bye.